World Health Organization has urged fully vaccinated people to continue wearing masks indoors and practice social distancing as the Delta variant surges in many parts of the world. People cannot feel safe just because they had the 2 doses. They still need to protect themselves, said Dr. Mariangela Simao, WHO Assistant Director General, during a news briefing Friday. The Centers for Disease Control, however, told vaccinated Americans in May that they no longer needed to wear masks indoors. CDC officials pointed to the guidance Monday and gave no indication it would change, according to the New York Times. But some areas around the country are still urging vaccinated residents to wear masks indoors. Until we better understand how and to who the Delta variant is spreading, everyone should focus on maximum protection, the Los Angeles County of Public Health said Monday. The Delta variant now accounts for 50% of active cases in Los Angeles, said officials Thursday, while it accounts for 1 in 5 of cases around the country. Working-age women put in an average of 173 hours of additional unpaid child care through October of last year, a new report estimates. Almost 5,000 people are in quarantine after vacationing high school students triggered a major COVID-19 outbreak on the Mediterranean island of Mallorca, a senior official said Monday. Italy on Monday lifted its outdoor mask mandate as cases drop and vaccinations rise in the country, which experienced a horrific surge at the beginning of the pandemic. Hong Kong says it will ban all passenger flights from the UK starting Thursday as it seeks to curb the spread of new variants of the coronavirus. U.S. Education Secretary Miguel Cardona said Monday that Puerto Rico will receive nearly $4 billion in federal education pandemic relief funds to help boost the U.S. territory's fight against COVID-19. The U.S. has more than 33.6 million confirmed COVID-19 cases and at least 604,100 deaths, according to Johns Hopkins University data. The global totals, more than 181.3 million cases and more than 3.92 million deaths. More than 153.7 million Americans have been fully vaccinated, nearly 46.3% of the population, according to the CDC. The new results mean that people who receive the mRNA vaccines may not need boosters so long as variants do not drastically evolve. As for those who recovered from the coronavirus and received the vaccine later on, a booster may not be needed even as the virus mutates, the study's results suggest. The study, published in the Nature journal, didn't consider the Johnson & Johnson vaccine in its research, but it's expected to be less durable. It's a good sign for how durable our immunity is from this vaccine, Elbody told reporters. 95% of those who've died from COVID-19 in Wisconsin since March weren't vaccinated or fully vaccinated. Nearly all Wisconsinites who recently have died of COVID-19 were unvaccinated, or not fully vaccinated, state health officials said Monday. And just 1% of all confirmed and probable COVID-19 cases since January 1 have been among those who were fully vaccinated, a spokeswoman for the State Department of Health Services said. The stark news came as Wisconsin finally reached a significant milestone Monday, with 50.1% of the state's population receiving at least 1 dose of the COVID-19 vaccine. Between March 1 and June 24, 95% of confirmed and probable COVID-19 deaths were among those who weren't fully vaccinated, DHS spokeswoman Elizabeth Goodsett said in an email. The science is clear, vaccines work in the real world. They save lives, Goodsett said. And if you are fully vaccinated, you are protected. All 3 vaccines have been tested and proven to be safe and effective. Goodsett added, take a look at the COVID-19 data and you will see that cases, hospitalizations, and deaths have been declining since vaccines were authorized and we started getting shots in arms.
Thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe All Media New York.